Hello friends, today we will start discussing about Sketchup. So let's continue. First of all, I will open the software. So you can see this mainframe is open here. So here you can see these are the frame. These are three axis lines, which you can see in three colors: red, green, and blue. Blue line is for the vertical height, green and red used as x and y axis for the plotting. So this is a selection tool. With this one we can select and move the anything in the our plan. So we can with the erase option we can erase any object by just select it and erase it. So next is the pencil tool. Pencil tool is used to draw the lines. So you have to take care when you're drawing, because when you put it on, so you can see blue, red and green axes are coming when we're writing. So you can fix the units here, like I'm putting 4 meter, 8 meter by 4 meter, any unit you can put to draw the line. And when we combine it, it will become a surface. So next is the freehand line. With the freehand line you can draw anything freehand until you click on the mouse. It will continue. As soon as you stop move your click, it will stop. So you can see there are two lines by selection. So next is a rectangle tool. Rectangle, just like drawing a rectangle, but you have to take care in which axis you are going to draw. You can see green, red and this one. See, if I draw on green axis, it will be available here. Red axis will be there, because we have to take care in which axis we are working. So we have to draw a rectangle accordingly. So you can see one is horizontal, two are vertical, but vertical both are on different sizes, different dimension, different orientation is there. The orientation is completely different for them. So you can see now, one I provided on down, one up, one like this one. Sometimes it becomes difficult to catch the angle also, but then you have to just see in which color is visible. So accordingly you can draw it. So you can see now I have drawn two down, one x y axis and one vertical, because when blue is available it means they will work on green and red axis. See, when blue is there my rectangle is on axis, this one. When green is visible, so it's in blue and red, and when red is available it is on green and blue. So it is different when which color is visible, so rectangle will be on the other two dimensions. So I can remove this everything now. We go to next item. It's a circle. Some item I am skipping, which are not too much used, which we will show you during this one. So you can see I am drawing a circle. By the circle you can give the radius, and it will come on different orientations, same as rectangle. So you can see these three are in different axes, one on green and blue, one on green and red, one on red and green. Next is a polygon, in which you can give the radius and you can draw the polygon. But take care, mostly used things are in the SketchUp are is line, rectangle and circle. Other are very rarely used. So same way you can draw this rectangle in different axes. This is a polygon. So in the other axis drawn. So just you can rotate it and make it angle over there wherever you want to draw it. So here you can see I have drawn on the different orientations. I will remove this everything now. this arch tool. But for the arch tool, we just first we have to draw the lines so that we don't the reference of our arch, because arch should be started from one point and it will rotate from point to point. So here if we select this one and I select on this corner, other corner, I can draw a 90-degree. Now I am selecting this one and I come out to it and I can make an arch how much size I want. But for in this way, you need to know the center and you need to know the radius. So I put the radius as a 1. So you can see now it's coming there. Now I can rotate it with my mouse and draw any size of arch I want. Now next is the 2-point arch. The 2-point arch, we need the 2 points to draw. But in this way, in this one, we need 2 points, endpoints, and we should have the bulge, that how much it will go outside. So you can give dimension, and you, if you know, like I give the 1. If you don't know, you can put. If you don't have, you can just guide it as per your requirements. You can see I am drawing the 2-point arches. I will remove them now. Now we go to the third option, which is a 3-point arch. So I will draw some lines first again, so that I can have 3 points so in which I can put my arc. So you can see I selected the 3-point and arc is there. From here I can do anywhere you can take the 3 points and the arch will be made as per 3 points. So you can see here also. I remove this back. We go to this other tool with the cross sign. It's called move. But if you just select the move one way, it will take it everyone. Only selection will be moved, but it will take other points with this. So for this one, better if we select a full point and move with this one, move with the move option. We can take them anywhere. But if you want to copy, just press the control and it will start making copies. If you move without copy, it will just move the object. If you want to make copy, you have to select press the control button. Okay. Next is the extrude option. So first we draw a rectangle. So we just press extrude, select the area, and we can extrude how much you want. You can give dimension or you can do it by yourself how much you want. You can take it extrude up, extrude down, anything you can do. Next is rotation, to rotate anything. But for the rotation, we have to see the axis. Like if I select only direct rotation, it will select rotating the full object from one point. So now I select the object completely and press the rotate button. So you can see I can rotate this one wherever I want. Same way rotation you can do in different axes. Like if it is coming blue, so it will rotate around the blue axis. When the color of this symbol is green, so it will rotate around the green axis. When the color is red, it will rotate around red axis. So this is for today. So thanks for watching. So next one we will continue with the next shortcuts. Then afterward we will start drawing the some SketchUp designs.